Hello viewers, today in this video I am gonna show you how to fix this Reels video has no sound problem on Facebook. See, this is a problem, so let's solve this problem. Okay, let's start the video. After that, now go back your home screen. Go to your phone setting and follow my step by step. Scroll down, now tap on sound. Now tap on volume and tap on media. Scroll down, now tap on apps. Search icon, now search for Facebook apps. Now tap on Facebook and tap on storage. Now clear cache and clear data. Now tap on force stop and OK. After that, now go back your home screen and go to your Play Store, update your Facebook apps. Search icon, now search for Facebook apps. It is already updated. Now go back your home screen and go to your Facebook apps. Now tap on three dot icon. Scroll down, now tap on support. Scroll down, now tap on report and technical problem. Scroll down, now tap on include. Scroll down, now tap on video. Now type your problem and attach problem your screenshot. Dear Facebook team, there is no sound in the Reels video. On Facebook, please fix it. Now tap on corner. By doing this process, you can successfully solve your problem. Thank you.